Chattanooga choo-choo. Don't know the rest of that song. So, today's mission today is to head to the other side of Oshkosh, and I have to return a part. If you look down here, this is the mount I'm using right now for my second GoPro. It's not the greatest, but I tried mounting here. I tried mounting in a whole bunch of different spots, and just didn't seem to work out. So now we've come to the point where I was able to squeeze this one on here, and you know, there's not a lot of spots to mount on this bike. I even tried over here and looked terrible. So that's what we're doing, returning this part to Amazon, because I have to go over to the UPS store. I was young, man. I lived in New Jersey, some friends, and like, I'm gonna grow up and I'm gonna drive trains. I think I was 4.
2,000 years later.
A little bit of everything on this train. Hey, there we go. Of course, it's going to be a backup at the stop sign that's a little bit right over that hill, so it's going to be fun. We're not even going to put this puppy in second gear because it's not going to be worth it. See what I mean? Look at that backup. Whoa! Okay. I'd say I'm surprised, but I've noticed moving to around this area that's more common than it needs to be. Everybody's in a rush. So if you're new here, and you pretty much should be new here because this is a brand new YouTube channel. My name is Amy. I go by my gamer tag Enforcer3ID. I just spent the last 5-ish years streaming video games, mostly Destiny 2, but I also did a bunch of battle royales and a couple other things on the side, you know, like Call of Duty, you know, FPS, those kind of things. So I guess we'll say variety streamer, but I spend a majority of my time in Destiny 2. Love video games. I was I was actually partnered on the Microsoft owned platform Mixer, which was shut down. The last day of operation was July 23rd of this year, 2020. I made the transition, as a lot of my friends did, over to Twitch. I stayed on Twitch about a month. I had a lot of talks with people, and I just realized I wasn't happy. So the idea came to me, why not turn around and use something that I'm really passionate about. I really love to ride, and I like to go places. I'm not a world traveler by any means, but I do like driving around. Maybe I missed my calling as a long-haul trucker. So that's what we're going to do in this channel. Also, too, it's been a long time. Oh, what's this? Avoid travel on campus. Move in may cause delays. Ooh, we should go over there and see. Oh, Drawbridge. This will be fun. Oh, that's why, right there. gonna open my visor. Get some air.
2,000 years later.
Every time I see a drawbridge go up, I'm reminded of that scene in the beginning of Too Fast, Too Furious. Just look at the bike now going, we can make it! Looks like we're about ready to go here. What the hell is going on over here? Is that a vehicle? Yeah, it's like a vehicle on... What the... Oh boy. Okie dokie, going around. Circle, circle, circle. And here we have another incident. What? There's people piling out of a van and... Nosy but not nosy. Ew, oh. Well, that's not good. Oh my. Let's get over here. There's a whole damn police force over there. Back to what we were talking about. I decided to put my energy into riding and travel and all the other things. And take a little step away from video games. I think it's a bit of a good time too. Not a lot of video games are coming out because of COVID. You know, they're being delayed, and which I'm fine with a delay, honestly. I'd rather it be delayed and be good versus, you know, come out like, how many people remember Anthem, you know? Alright. So let's go in and get this taken care of. Tell you guys a little bit about me. 45 years young. I just got back into riding 4 months now. Yep. I'm a combat veteran for the war in Iraq. I was part of the vanguard that invaded Iraq in 2003. I was part of 3rd Infantry Division, thus Enforcer 3 ID. I used to be in law enforcement. I was a federal corrections officer, and I was a New York State parole officer. I do have some injuries that I sustained from my time in the service. One of them that I willingly and openly discuss with people is I have post-traumatic stress. I willingly and openly talk about it because not only do I want to educate people on it, what veterans can go through, but I also want people who have it, any kind of PTSD, because it's not just combat that gives it to you. Any kind of PTSD. I want to use my platforms always to educate people, and I do like to discuss matters when it comes to mental health. That way we can all grow from it. You know, I have PTSD, I have some anxiety, depression, you know. And I think it's more common than we talk about. So that's a cop, so we better stop at the stop sign. I'm always law abiding. Oh, look at them sailboats out there. Look at how nice. Wow. Look at these. Huh. I think this is a good spot to end it for today. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you for stopping by. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and ride safe. See you next time.